Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. Okay. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. And here you can see my Snapchat is not in dark mode now. So how you can do that? You simply need to click on Snapchat Plus and you must have Snapchat Plus subscription to activate this. And here you can see dark mode pre-release. Click on that and click on OK. And let me show you. Now you can see that my Snapchat is in dark mode. Let me show you here. So this is a process by which you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.